Daniel Minuzzo from Minuzzo Project Management. We won the Heritage Award.
Mark Trebilco, Site Manager for Carrick Hill.
Oh, we're wrapped. Look, we're so lucky to have the opportunity to work on such an amazing building. Being Carrick Hill, we're just absolutely wrapped. I can't say anymore.
Totally a team effort. Even between the client and ourselves, it wouldn't have got over the line if there wasn't a collaborative effort put in together. Like every heritage building, they always keep throwing so many different issues and problems at you, and a lot of these buildings just want to fight you. But at the end of the day, I think we actually did the building proud and actually made it something that's now going to survive into the next generations, that they can actually look and receive and understand as well.
You put all the effort in.
That's not so much deserve. I think it's like, you say blood, sweat and tears. It literally, that's what this building took to actually get it over the line, and it was a labour of love in a lot of ways in the end.